Now, niacinamide. This internet is raging with niacinamide. Every other face wash, every other moisturizer, and even body washes and hair care products are starting to following this trend of including niacinamide in it. While this is a great thing, many of you guys have this one question. I just can't buy one particular active base serum and then again invest my money on other active base serum. This is a problem that many of you guys have because most of us don't use 10 different kind of serum for our face, which is completely understandable. And you want this one serum that not only would contain this magical niacinamide but also a little bit of ingredients and products that would help you in achieving your skincare goal, because niacinamide has a gazillion different properties such as controlling sebum production, helping your skin barrier. But if you want a little bit extra like skin pigmentation problem, anti-aging, overall brightness, using a niacinamide serum alone won't really give you that fast kind of result. And skincare is not about that instant gratification, but sometimes we really need that helping ingredient or this one particular serum that would help us to achieve all of those goals. In this particular video, I am going to address that concern by giving you guys some niacinamide based serums which not only contain niacinamide but also contains actives and ingredients which would help you guys to achieve those skincare goals. So if you are ready to find that one serum that would work wonders for you and obviously include niacinamide, then stay tuned. All of the serums that I'm going to mention are super affordable, comes in different price points, so there is an option for everyone. Coming on to the most affordable pick for this video, which is the Deconstruct's Clearing Serum. It has an inclusion of 5% niacinamide as promised, but it also includes a tyrosinase inhibitor such as alpha-arbutin, and it contains 2% of it. Now I have the smaller one, which is the 10 ml, which is a perfect beginner friendly option, and this would easily last you for 15 days because you don't need like a full pump of serums. You only need 3 to 4 or 4 to 5 drops of serum for your face and neck. That should be more than enough, and it usually lasts me for about 10 to 12 days, which is perfect for someone who is looking forward to try first and then invest, which is kind of like my motto. It also comes in the 30 ml variant, which is a standard serum variant and cost less than 700 or 600 rupees. I will mention my discount code or any other kind of codes available for you to get these products a little bit cheaper in the bottom box below, so do check it out. But yeah, talking about this particular serum, it is great for all skin types. It's super lightweight, non-greasy. But if you talk about the skincare goals that it would help you to achieve, not only the niacinamide is going to help heal your skin barrier, helping you out with regulating your sebum production, it is also pigment banisher. It has tyrosinase inhibitors such as the alpha-arbutin, and alpha-arbutin is great for any of your pigmentation problems, hyperpigmentation, acne scars, overall giving you that even toned skin. And if you always wanted a serum that would do all of these things and obviously including niacinamide in it, here you go. This is a brilliant serum. I have tried it since they first launched. When it initially launched, the serum was a little bit thicker, but if you compare the current formulation, it is almost like water. It is really nice, great for all skin type, has a little bit of cooling sensation when you apply it, great for all seasons as well, and can be applied on both AM and PM routine. But because we all want that even tone skin and we all want to age a little bit gracefully, always apply and reapply your sunscreen. When you are using any of these serums or any kind of serums, or even if you are not wearing serums, do apply sunscreen every single day. Now if you talk about pigmentation and overall brightness of your skin, and ingredient that really helps niacinamide, and it's like a best friend to niacinamide, is vitamin C. Now vitamin C and niacinamide works together in harmony to help you achieve all of those skincare goals like controlling sebum production, maintaining a healthy skin barrier, and obviously giving you that brighter skin look, helping out your sunscreen, fighting off that free radicals, and a lot. If you want to know about actives in detail such as like vitamin C and niacinamide and their properties to its core, do check my actives and skincare playlist, which I will link it in the bottom box below, including all of the products that I'm mentioning. Coming on to vitamin C, I have these two serums which include vitamin C and niacinamide together. The first pick would be the Dot & Key's 10% vitamin C plus E super bright face serum, which has 10% of vitamin C as it states, and also 5% of niacinamide. Now, this particular serum also comes with blood orange, kakadu plum, and obviously 10% of vitamin C, and cost under 500 or 600 rupees, but you can easily get it around like 450 during the sale. So yeah, it's a great product, has a great stopper, which many of the serums fail to do nowadays, and coming in this affordable price tag is a great thing. It is super travel friendly, even looks cute on the vanity, and if you talk about the whole efficacy, it would require at least 3 to 6 weeks to show any kind of result, just like any other skincare. But because it has vitamin C, you will get that instant brightness that vitamin C is known for. The serum is great for any skin age and any skin type. This particular serum is also lightweight, non-greasy, non-sticky. It doesn't tingles like any other vitamin C because it has that derivative inclusion. But yeah, overall, if you talk about the quality and the pricing, 100% try this. It would help you in achieving that even toned skin, helping you out with a little bit of hyperpigmentation, acne scars, and also at the same time giving you the brighter skin that you always wanted. It also helps with skin dullness that many of you guys are going to face in the upcoming summers, maybe because of wrong skincare routine, maybe because of wrong sunscreen, maybe because of hydration issues. Dull skin is one of the major concerns in summer months, so try using a vitamin C plus niacinamide serum. It would help you a lot. Coming on to another vitamin C plus niacinamide combo, this is the Niacinamide Radiance Serum from Dermaco. It again has 10% of vitamin C and 5% of niacinamide. Both of the products are really similar, but the formulation are different. It has the same type of active. But the one plus point that Dermaco gets is that by including a pump packaging, which is an airless pump by the way. I really like the whole drop packaging with a stopper and everything. It's great, but pump packaging just wins. I really love pump packaging because vitamin C is an ingredient which is notorious for it being not stable, but today's vitamin C, you don't face that kind of problem. If you talk about the texture of this particular serum, it feels like water. Most of the serum that I'm going to mention feels like water, super lightweight, and can be suited to all skin ages and types. This particular serum is also very soothing and calming, great for the coming summer months. And I have done a complete dedicated review on this one, which you can check it in my channel. If you talk about the pricing, it costs 649 rupees for 30 ml, but you can obviously get it in discount. If you are confused between which one would be great, trust me, it all depends on you, what kind of packaging you want to go for, which kind of brand you support. It always depends on you as a consumer. I'm here to tell you how these serums work and how these serums would work for you guys. Both of these serum has similar actives and the ingredient list is really similar, but this one includes some kind of like blood orange, beetroot, and all of those goodness which this one lacks. But if you talk about the overall efficacy, both of them gave us similar result. It also gave brightening and that even tone kind of skin. It also helps with the acne marks, pigmentation, and overall if you are looking for to build a potential anti-aging routine, vitamin C, retinol, and sunscreen, these three are best friends. Always put these three ingredients or products in your routine, your anti-aging game would be sorted. Talking about anti-aging and retinol, I do have two different serums at two different price points. We are going to talk about the affordable version first. This is from Pulp X Shruti range, which is a little bit different from the Pulp's normal range. They come in this beautiful sleek black packaging, and I bought it in a set which comes with tarot cards and all of that goodness. You can check it in my shorts. I really love the Pulp X Shruti range. This is their banished serum, which has 0.2% of retinaldehyde, which works faster than your normal retinol, and 5% of niacinamide. It is also super affordable comparing to the quality. 599 rupees for 30 ml. Impressive packaging, I have to say. Pulp serums comes in a different type of packaging. It's super travel friendly by the way. You have to pull the cap and then you have to unscrew it. That is how it should open. When I first initially bought a Pulp serum, I was really confused. What am I supposed to do with it? But yeah, it's a really great packaging if you are traveling a lot, and even if you are a clumsy person like me, it's a great packaging. Apart from the packaging, if you talk about the product itself, it has a little bit of yellowish tint and it is a little bit thicker than all of the three serums that I mentioned, but when you apply it, it's super lightweight, non-greasy, non-sticky, and it also has a nice cooling effect, doesn't stings your face like many retinol and vitamin C serums sometimes sting my face. This doesn't. It also has a lot of skin loving and skin soothing ingredients, overall helping that retinol to not irritate your skin. It's a sensitive skin friendly serum, as I have tried it on me, and this is my third bottle to be honest, and I love this serum. This and the Deconstruct retinol and peptide serum are my absolute favorite retinol serum at the moment, and you won't be disappointed. Now, retinol serum is an anti-aging serum, but if you face a lot of acne, I have found that retinol works brilliantly for acne. To be honest, retinol was first invented to banish acne, but later on it had its amazing glory of anti-aging phase. If you are looking to start your anti-aging game at the early 20s, which I would suggest you guys to do, affordable and truly a serum that would give you the benefits of niacinamide, including that anti-aging boosting powers. Last but not the least, we have my boyfriend's favorite, TW Real Bifida Ampule. Now, this is my favorite serum in this particular price range, and this is from Isentry. Now, it has this ingredient called as Bifida ferment lysate, which is a powerful ingredient if you talk about anti-aging, overall skin barrier, and it's a really popular ingredient in Korean and Japanese cultures, and many of the serums and scents and ampules are focused on this particular ingredient. It has, I think, 83 to 88% of Bifida ferment lysate, including niacinamide, and it did control his acne and breakouts. He has seen that when he is using this particular serum, overall breakouts and acne he is getting is significantly reduced. That's his review, but if you ask me, it's a really nice lightweight serum which has a little bit of thickness to it, not to a point it would be uncomfortable in the humid and summer months. It is a really lightweight serum, has a little bit of that nice body to it, and the serum comes in a 50 ml of packaging, costs something about 1500 rupees. A little bit expensive than all of the serum that I mentioned, but truly Isentry makes the best product. If you once try Isentry product, trust me, you won't ever go back. And if you want to invest a little bit more, try this, you won't be disappointed. This particular product, not only it brightens your skin, but also helps you with your acne marks, acne scars, and reducing the overall breakouts, because this is a serum that helps your skin barrier and also providing you with that niacinamide goodness as well as that Bifida ferment lysate, anti-aging whatnot. As famous as niacinamide is, not many people are looking for just to invest in one niacinamide serum or one vitamin C serum. So these were like multitasking niacinamide serum, not just niacinamide serum, that I wanted to talk about. If you want me to make such videos like focusing on one particular active, but talking about serum that not only has that active but other actives that help and support that active to help you get to your skincare goals much more faster, let me know your thoughts in the bottom box below. Like this video if you like my content, share this video to any of your friends who is looking for that perfect one serum for their skincare goals, and lastly, subscribe to this channel, hit on that bell notification, and I will see you in the next video. So bye bye and take care.